As of 1 minute ago, hunting season's open. Been sitting here for about 45 minutes. Had to get out here early, and I already had 4 vehicles tailing me in here. Got me 2. Didn't double up, but one of them was straight overhead and I had to take a pretty weird shot on him. Let's get back in here and make it happen again. That's 7. I'll tell you what, filming deer by yourself, whole different ballgame. You just gotta be still. Generally they don't show up right on top of you. Self-filming a dove hunt, I don't recommend it. I just had to pass up a group of 3 because I'm sitting here trying to hit the record button and get the camera to turn back on since it's been so long. Alright, so figure while there's a break in the birds, I'll explain what looks like a rookie mistake. Now, from the video aspect, when you're watching this, you'll see the glint from the sun on the lens. And you know, when I came out here and scouted for birds, found an area. Oh, there just went one. He was too far to try to take a shot on. But when I was scouting for birds, I found almost like an aerial funnel, and they all came straight through this spot, and for the most part. And so, anyways, I came out here to sit up this morning. I knew I was going to be facing towards the east, but you know. Shoot! Ooh! Thanks for calling that one out. That's fine with me. I don't know if you guys saw that one or not, but I'm gonna go retrieve my bird. Quite literally had to stand up to get this bird up off the ground and hope he got within view of the camera when I took that shot. I probably still didn't get it. Man, I can't even get back in my seat, and I got birds coming up right behind me. Anyways, as I was saying, essentially I chose to limit out over having perfect video, as I am self-filming a dove hunt. These birds don't exactly come in slow, so you know, if I happen to get something on video or you guys can see the shot, that's great. I don't figure I probably will, since I don't have it attached to my shotgun. Therefore, just consider this a bonus video. Limit! Yeah! Quick idea of the setup here. You can see it, 1 dove, 2 dove decoy. Teal, mojo, wing beats a little faster than the pattern of the mallard. for resembles the dove more. There's the third one. And then I've got one set up here. This is where I'm setting. And yes, I'm facing the sun. And then there, and right there. We made it happen. Ended up knocking out a limit. Self-filming dove is not something I'd recommend. You're either going to end up missing your shots. Well, you'll miss your shots whether it's on the bird with the camera or on the bird with the gun, but either way, I'm happy. Public land, 15 bird limit. Hell yeah, get some.